Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to overcome yellow screen on Poco M7 Pro. Alright guys, so yeah, for those of you who panic because suddenly your phone is turning to yellow, don't need to be worried guys, because maybe you turn on some feature accidentally without you know it. And how to overcome it is very easy. So yeah, to restore the screen's default color temperature is very easy. And then now, without any further ado, let's get started to the tutorial. Alright guys, so yeah, the first thing first is now you can go to the settings menu on your cell phone, and then after that now you can scroll down and go to display and brightness, and then now you can scroll down and go to reading mode, and then now you can turn it off, and then the screen default color temperature will restore. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial, and then thank you so much for watching. See you guys on the next video.